Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay Later online. This convenient feature allows you to split eligible purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks, making budgeting simpler. It's seamlessly integrated into your Apple Wallet, so you can easily access it at checkout whenever Apple Pay is an option. You can apply for this service for purchases ranging from $50 up to $1,000, offering great flexibility for various online shopping needs. Before you can start using Apple Pay Later, there are a few simple steps to ensure you're set up correctly. First, make sure your Apple device is running the latest iOS version. You also need to be at least 18 years old and a U.S. resident. Next, add a valid debit card to your Apple Wallet, as this will be used for your automatic repayments. Finally, you can apply for Apple Pay Later directly through the Wallet app, a quick process that usually takes just a few moments. When you're ready to make an online purchase, the process is straightforward. At checkout, simply select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. Within the Apple Pay interface, you'll then see an option to choose Pay Later. Before finalizing, you'll be presented with a clear payment schedule, showing your 4 equal payments spread over 6 weeks. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm your purchase securely using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Managing your Apple Pay Later payments is incredibly easy and transparent. All your active plans are conveniently accessible within the Wallet app, allowing you to see everything at a glance. Here, you can track upcoming payment dates and the exact amounts due for each installment. If you need to, you can also make manual payments ahead of schedule or update the debit card used for repayments. Plus, you'll receive helpful notifications to ensure you never miss a payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.